Hello, and welcome back to Ason Tech Hub Data Analysis using R. In our previous video, we looked at how to install R and RStudio. So in this video, we're going to look at basic overview of R and also how to set up your first file in R. What is R and why do we use R? R is a programming language designed for statistical computing and graphics. It's free, open source, and widely used in academic and industries. So R allows us to clean, analyze, and visualize data in a powerful and reproducible way. Why are we using RStudio? RStudio is an integrated development environment, IDE, that makes working with R easier. So as it is, we have already installed our R in the previous video. In this video, we're going to look at overview of RStudio. We have installed our RStudio in the previous video. As you can see, I'm already on RStudio here. So in the RStudio video here, you can see in the RStudio, it's divided into four pane. It has a console, which is what we are seeing here currently, displaying R version, that's blah blah, and it have a script editor, which is what you are currently not seeing. You will see it very soon. The third pane of it is the environment/history, which is what we have here. This is the environment/history. You can see that is what we have here, and we have the file, plot, package, view, and all that, which is what you are seeing here. So let's get the script editor in here. To get the script editor, you need to create a file. So click on the file option, go to new file, and select R script. So now we're going to have our scripts area. So this is the R scripts editor. Here you can type your R and all that. You can write the code for your R to be reusable. You can type your code directly in the console, but why using RStudio if you want to type it in the console? Why don't you use just R? So in this our first file, I'm going to use it as a calculator because R can also serve as a calculator. So I'm going to do something like 2 plus 2. So this is what I do here. Now, how do you run a code if you have your code in the script? You can run your code using keyboard shortcut, and you can run your code using the run option here. So if I click on this run, it's going to run the code, and as you can see, we have the results here. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. You can see it in the console. And if you want to run using keyboard shortcut, let's assume I have something like 4 minus 3 in this case. Then I want to run using keyboard shortcut. You can use Control Enter. So Control Enter will also be used as a keyboard shortcut to run your code. So this is an overview about R and how to create your first file in R. So the next thing is to save this. To save your work from the script editor, all you need to do is to click on File and select the Save option. So here you go to the location where you want to save your file. So let me save this file to a dedicated folder for it. So I'm going to go to my desktop and I'm going to create a new folder where I'll be saving all the R script. So I'm going to New. I'll select Folder and I'll call this R script. So I'll double click to open this folder and I'm going to call this 01. That is all. As you can see, the save type is set to R. That is all. So you just type the name for the file and that is all, and click on OK and save. So this work has been saved. As you can see here, 01.r. So it will save it in .r. So this is how to create your first file in R. In the next video, we're going to be looking at variables in R.